Hi friends. Nowadays, any discussion happens, the topic is always there of COVID. COVID has done many things to us, mostly bad things. One person came and told me that he was having a flourishing business, but COVID came and now he is really struggling for clients. Or one fellow came and he said he was sure that he will get promotion this year. Now he is struggling to retain a job. So there is people are thinking if COVID would not have come, things would have been different, things would have been better. Definitely. There's no doubt about it. Because of COVID, lot of opportunities are lost. And when opportunities are lost, there is definitely regret in our mind. But point is, this regret, do we need to carry for many years? Certainly not. But let me give you an example, not related to COVID. Once, one person met me and he was telling me that he has a big regret in his life. So I asked him why. What is the regret? So he said 15 years back there was an opportunity for foreign assignment. But he said I was rejected. Although I was qualified on merit, I should have gone to that foreign assignment. But because I didn't have good rapport with the boss, or probably the other person was buttering the boss so much, he went to that foreign assignment and then he remained there. Today, whenever I meet him or speak to him or see his email, I always feel I should have been there. And that regret, I don't think it will ever go from my mind. I said, okay, fine. So in 15 years, what you did? He said, then I was in India. Of course, I did well. Then I became deputy general manager. Now I am vice president for India business. So I think you have done well. Why regret about that foreign assignment? No, I wanted to go to foreign. Said yes, but sometimes opportunities is lost. Why you are regretting for that 15 years back thing happened? Then he didn't say anything. He just started thinking. Probably he was thinking whether he should regret or not. Another example, and which is more sad, I'll tell you, is once one person came to me and he said he lost his father when he was in 11th standard. And actually he wanted to become an engineer, but his dream was shattered. So I said, what you did in life? He said, since I was the eldest son in the family and I have to support the family, I started job. I started job in a bank. I completed my graduation externally in commerce. Then what happened? I asked him. So then, of course, from clerk I became officer, then branch manager, then regional manager, and now I'm in a fairly good position in a bank. So I said, you did well. He said, yeah, but whenever I see an engineer or anything in engineering or even a book, there is a regret in my mind. I should have been an engineer. I said, why? Why that regret you are carrying? I understand. Your dream was shattered. The opportunity was lost. Forget it. Shed few tears and just move away. Why you are carrying that? Then he said, yeah, probably you're right. I will never become an engineer. I should have told myself maybe few years back, but I'm carrying that. I said, exactly. That is what people do. And friends, I want to tell you, people, whenever there is opportunity lost, that regret they carry forever. But I am telling you, just another two examples. One is from great Ramayana. Lord Rama, whether he had regret because Kaikeyi sent him to exile, and his life was not at all good. He suffered in exile. Not only that, his wife was kidnapped and then he has to enter in a big war with Ravan. But he never regretted. Probably he must have felt bad because he should have been king in those youthful days and he was in exile and going in jungles. But he never showed any regret. Rather, he never carried that. You will say Ram was great. He was God finally. We are not God. We are common people. But let me tell you, the great Amitabh Bachchan, he was rejected because his voice was not suitable for the job in the railways. Imagine the voice which took him to great levels in Bollywood, and now he is ruling the Bollywood. He was rejected because his voice was not suitable. Can Means it is unthinkable, but there is no regret to Amitabh. Definitely, if at all regret is there to Indian Railways because they lost Amitabh Bachchan. So, friends, if some opportunity is lost, I understand you can get frustrated, but don't carry that regret. People are regretting because they couldn't marry their college life crush even after 20 years or 30 years of good married life. Probably they don't think that they are better off marrying this spouse rather than college life crush. So things are always better if you look in a different way. Don't cry forever or don't regret forever. Today we are frustrated because COVID has put in as a condition that many opportunities are lost. But my advice to you is move on. Don't regret this. Don't carry this regret. New horizon is opening up. New things are happening. New doors are opening. So look at that and welcome those things rather than crying for the opportunity lost. That's all, my friends. Thank you.